Good morning, foodies. Welcome back to the AI channel. Today we're diving into the art of quick and delicious breakfasts. Whether you're a busy professional or someone who just loves a tasty morning meal, I've got some easy recipes and tips to make your mornings delightful. Let's get cooking. Step 1. Overnight oats for a busy morning. Let's start with a time-saving classic, overnight oats. Combine rolled oats, your favorite milk, and a dash of sweetener in a jar. Add fruits, nuts, or seeds for extra flavor. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and voila! A nutritious and ready-to-eat breakfast that requires zero morning prep. Step 2. Avocado toast 3 ways. Elevate your breakfast game with avocado toast. Mash ripe avocados onto whole grain toast and get creative with toppings. Try classic tomato and basil, a sprinkle of feta and balsamic glaze, or go sweet with sliced strawberries and a drizzle of honey. The possibilities are endless. Step 3. Quick and healthy smoothie bowl. For a refreshing start, whip up a quick smoothie bowl. Blend your favorite fruits with yogurt or milk. Pour into a bowl and top with granola, nuts and seeds. It's a nutrient-packed breakfast that's as delicious as it is Instagram-worthy. Step 4. Speedy egg muffins for protein boost. Get your protein fix with speedy egg muffins. Whisk eggs and pour them into a muffin tin with your choice of veggies, cheese or cooked meat. Bake for 15-20 minutes and you've got a batch of delicious portable breakfast muffins to enjoy throughout the week. Step 5. 3-ingredient banana pancakes. Craving pancakes? Opt for the easiest 3-ingredient banana pancakes. Mash bananas, mix with eggs and a dash of baking powder. Cook them like regular pancakes and you'll have a naturally sweet and fluffy breakfast treat in no time. Step 6. Quick coffee hacks. Don't forget your morning brew. Speed up your coffee routine with a few hacks. Invest in a good coffee maker, try pre-ground coffee, or experiment with cold brew for a quick and refreshing caffeine fix. Step 7. Prep and plan for success. Success in quick breakfasts often comes down to planning. Take some time each week to prep ingredients such as chopping fruits or making batches of your favorite toppings. This makes assembling your morning meal a breeze. And there you have it, a 2-minute guide to mastering quick and delicious breakfasts. I hope these recipes and tips make your mornings easier and more enjoyable. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tasty content and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy breakfasting.